Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Seeking Alpha versus Morningstar. Seeking Alpha provides a platform for thousands of contributors to share investment analysis, offering a wide array of perspectives. Morningstar, on the other hand, is known for its professional research, expert ratings, and extensive data on mutual funds and exchange-traded funds. We will explore what each platform offers to help you decide which best suits your investment style. Seeking Alpha stands out with its vibrant community of investors and analysts. You can access thousands of articles daily, providing diverse viewpoints on stocks, market trends, and investment strategies. Their proprietary tools, such as quant ratings and factor grades, offer a data-driven approach to evaluating stocks, helping you identify potential opportunities or risks quickly. This platform is ideal for those seeking active trading insights. Morningstar is a powerhouse for fundamental research and long-term investing. It provides expert analyst ratings for a vast universe of stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. You can delve into comprehensive data on over 2,000 funds and 10,000 stocks, gaining deep insights into their performance and holdings. Their Portfolio X-ray tool is invaluable for analyzing your asset allocation and diversification. Ultimately, your choice depends on your investment style. Seeking Alpha is excellent for those who thrive on diverse opinions, crowdsourced analysis, and active trading strategies. Morningstar is better suited for long-term investors who value professional research, expert ratings, and in-depth fund analysis. Both offer valuable resources, so consider your needs. Also, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.